So this is our 2005 Nissan Frontier. It's in great shape. Nope. It's in the middle being parted out. Somebody wants the mirrors, so we're gonna learn how to take the mirrors. So if you need, I've never done this before, I'm sure you'll be shocked. This is not an instructional video. In fact, you shouldn't take my advice about much, but we're gonna figure this out. If you find yourself needing to take these off, my guess is they come off from the inside. That's just a guess, but we're about to find out. So we'll open this up. There's a panel there. I suspect if I take a trim tool, pry these things out, lose them on the ground. Yep, sure. Do it on a cold day so you can break everything. That's ideal. There's 3 of them. There's one down here. My guess is that on the back side of this, I'm going to find bolts going through. Yep, look at that. So there's sticky stuff. We're gonna pry that all off. You got it. There's one of those little pressure things. You're gonna have to pull right there. There's another one further down. We're just gonna work our way down it and get it off. Mine had double-sided tape, which I suspect is an aftermarket feature. Somebody else has been in here before me. And I didn't do it on a cold day, but I did break things. But I don't care. But if you do, you should be careful. Then we got these. I suspect they're 10 mil. We're going to confirm. I think if we pop those out, mirror falls off the outside, we undo a plug and we're off to the races. We'll see. They are indeed a 10 millimeter, and they are just the right size and shape to drop right down inside your door cavity, which shouldn't be a big deal. You're not going to need them again later, right? I'm kidding. I'm very kidding. You're probably going to need them again later. Okay, I took all those off. I held onto this. It didn't go anywhere. I should be able to just work this right out of there. Yep, there we go. Probably gonna want that seal, so we'll take that too. And there's the plug. Now, how do we plug this in, you ask? I don't know is the answer, but I suspect it's inside the door, which means we're gonna have to take the door skin off. Take the door skin off. We pry this out, which I've already done. There's a bolt there that's 10 mil. We're gonna take that out and see what happens. And again, be careful that you don't drop this down in there, because you know you're not going to need that again, right? Ask me how. Next thing you're going to need to do is put a little tool in here, pry up. That'll take your armrest off. And there's another bolt right there, and this one doesn't go all the way through. You can feel it from the back side, so we're going to take that out. Lied to you. That's why you don't listen to guys like me on the internet. This one does go all the way through. Both of those have to come out. Then you can start down here and just work your way around prying it till you get it hanging like this. And then we can just lift the whole thing up. It's hanging here. It should come up. And again, for me, parts truck, so I don't care that much. But for you, you're gonna wanna be a little bit careful. But once you get that off, we can see inside the door here. I am just looking for the wire that comes from my mirror. So I'm gonna go hunting for that, see if I can unplug it. In my case, it's this wire, which is held on by this. So I'm gonna pop that out of there, get a better look at what's going on. You might not be able to see it, but the plug is right there. That clip we popped is on the other side of the plug. So I'm gonna unplug that. It's just a press and release or push up. I'll be able to see it in a minute. There's the plug it unplugs from. I'll show you the plug from the other side. This is the plug on your mirror. This tab right here has to be flipped that way, and it will unplug from the wiring harness over there. And then you got your mirror. I'm gonna go get the one off the other side and I'm all done. You gotta put your door back together, except I don't, because I don't care, but you would need to. That video helped you out in some way. My teenage kids tell me that if enough of you hit that red button, someday their dad can buy a coffee courtesy of YouTube. So go ahead. It's not professional advice, it's just some hack in his backyard, but if I can do it, you might be able to. You should give it a try. We're on the passenger side mirror right now. I'm gonna pop this thing out, because that is where the plug is on the other side. I know this already because I've been around the driver's side. This plug's easier to get at. It's easier to see, which is awesome. You're gonna lift this tab right here, and everything should come right apart fairly easily. So pull that tab, pull it apart. Gonna need 2 hands. Here we go. Pull the tab. This is a push the tab, but you can figure it out. This wire right here is the one that goes up to the mirror. So everything is free in here. Now we just need to get the mirror bolts out. If you've seen me do the other side, you know. If you haven't, you're about to find out. There's 1, 2, 3 of those push rivet things. You're just gonna pop them out. They're 2-piece. Pop the first piece, and then you can pull the second piece, just like that. Put them somewhere you're definitely gonna lose them, like up on the dash so they can fall down somewhere. Do the next one, pull them out. Do the next one, pull them out. My other side had double-sided tape that was stronger than the push rivets. This side does too. So I'm gonna take a tool and pluck that off there so I don't break the plastic. Maybe you should. The trim's removed. It's 3 10-mil bolts. 1, 2, 3, and the mirror will come right off in our hand. So don't take them completely out unless you're holding on to the mirror, because you know the mirror could come off in your hand. Now that it's free, you should be able to just maneuver it this way. That's the seal. You're gonna want that with it, so we'll take that too. Yep. And the cord should pull right up out of there. We got our mirror. And that is that. As they say, assembly is the reverse of disassembly. I'm not gonna assemble. I'm done. My work here is finished. If it helped you, hit the red button. My kids tell me to say that, and I might be able to buy a coffee someday. And don't mind the sounds of the excavator. That's just the neighbors burying evidence. Have a good Saturday.